I didn't believe that it was possible to get into a business without no money until I started one. Hi, I go by the name of Francisco Moyanga. I'm a business owner. In this channel, I'm going to teach you about finance and business. Let's jump into it. This video, we're gonna divide it in 3 simple steps: sense of purpose, personal networking, and business ideas. First of all, what is the meaning of purpose? Purpose, it means the end for which something is done. And what is sense of purpose? Sense of purpose is the feeling of your life having a meaning, direction, and intention. Why sense of purpose it matters? Sense of purpose, it matters because it gives you a motivation to you work on your ideas even on hard times, day by day. And sense of purpose, it gives you resilience. It helps you to bounce back from the setbacks because you are encouraged by something bigger than the moment. Now we go to step number 2. Step number 2, we're gonna talk about networking. Networking is the process of building relationships that they can in future provide support or opportunities. How to build a networking? To build a networking, you start from the person who you know, from your neighbors, from your friends, and everyone else who is near to you. In which kind of environment you're gonna find these people? You can find them at school, at church, and also at public environment, as the library and somewhere else. Let's take as example church. Church is a place or environment that you don't need actual money to invest on it. So it's a place that you are able to build your networking without exactly investing money, because there is a place that there's many different kind of people. There's rich people in finance. There's people that they have confidence, people that they are confident, people that they are good in public speech. Church is a good environment that you can go and invest on yourself without having money. Myself, I remember there was this time that I was going to church, and there at church I learned a lot of things that the things that you are seeing guys today, they came from the church. There I learned how to speak in public, and also I found God. And this is one of my motivation. So when I'm talking about church, is a place that everyone, I believe like everywhere there's church, so you can invest on these places without exactly having any funds. Because even me, I wasn't working, I wasn't doing nothing, but I was going there, and the pastors and the brothers at church, they will give me opportunity to stand and do my speech. So if you are going to church, just make sure that you are getting involved, not just going there and expect that you're gonna learn something new or you're gonna be good on praying. So you have to involve yourself. You must give yourself a chance to you learn and dive deeper on the things or on the content that they're gonna provide for you there. Step number 3, business ideas. Which kind of business ideas or which kind of business that you can get started today without any investment or without money? Which means until now, if you are watching us from the internet, which means you have cell phone or computer and internet, so you have the 2 requirements, the minimum ones to start any kind of business in today's day. Where you can start with freelance service, as CapCut and Canva. Canva is a platform that you can design your logos, banners, posters, and covers, thumbnails, a lot of things that these days they request the most. People that they have website, you can help them. People that they are content creators, you can help them, design to them a website, or you can give a power for their companies designing their logos. So you can express what they are with designing logos. So you can use a Canva to design those logos. This platform, it gives you wings to you be able to edit videos in professional ways. You can edit videos for content creators. You're gonna make their work easy, because editing video is something that takes time. So most of the content creator, they end up giving up on their channels because of that process of editing. So you can do this service and you sell to them, you make their life easier, and you make their videos sound professional. The second business idea, you can go to affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's business, blogs and media. So they're gonna give you a commission for promoting their business. The other business idea, you can be a local hustler. You can be a lawn care or yard worker. You can provide a basic service like mowing, snow shoveling with a borrowed tools or your client tools. Before the end, can I ask you a serious thing? Do you know a friend of yours who need this kind of knowledge? Please, if you know one, please make sure that you are sharing with him to help him also to get this kind of knowledge and get into a business today. And the last one has a bonus. Start about real estate, because in our next video we're gonna talk about real estate. We're gonna teach you from the scratch what is real estate until you start to put your first investment.